They've only won once, Wolves, here in the Premier League. It was a couple of seasons ago. Cunha actually got a hat-trick, and it's a 4-2 success. Been
Just
plenty
because
of
he had a
goals.
little bit too extra height on it, more than Enzo Fernandez would have wanted, and that made really the height of it made.
Veneto again. Correa's in there. Wolves are just down by Caicedo, and then Gusto. João Pedro helping on for Cucurella to have a crack. All sorts of deflections. And after all they've been through, very close. Hasn't stopped it. Garnacho. Enzo Fernandez does exactly what you said, and the goalkeeper responds well. Garnacho across this time, and Gusto!
Oh, buys him that yard. It's just actually Wolves opening up. See Garnacho on the right-hand side of your screen, just getting it into that space, and he's up against the centre half, and he knows that confidence comes back in him, and you're asking him just to get it across.